And because the rain is expected through tomorrow, Southwest American Red Cross Executive Director Beth Sweeney says they have a team preparing. She says they haven't had any reports of damage yet, but they're ready if things take a turn for the worse.
We're talking to schools and churches and other locations that have always been designated shelter partners just to give them a heads up. Hey, we may need to open a shelter. Will it be possible to use this location? As long as there is a need, we will be ready to go and ready to fill it.
Now, if you see any damage or flooding today or throughout the weekend, you're asked to contact the Red Cross at 1-800-RED-CROSS.